What is up, everybody? Welcome back. This would be video 2 of 3, where we're talking about interactive documents, interactive cloud documents. Video 1, of course, was over interactive Google Docs. This one will be over Google Forms, and the next one we'll look at an interactive document created in Google Slides. When we talk about interactivity, as a reminder, we're really just talking about using cloud documents more than just paper replacement. Okay, using them to um, create activities or lessons that do any number of things, not just allow a student to type. Okay. All right, let's look at a Google form. Most people use Google Forms to collect any kind of data, reasonably so, and then to do quizzes. Both totally fine functions, but you can build lessons in them that work pretty well. I'll just say from experience that in forms, directions are super clear. I mean, it's just by it being what it is, people tend to be a little more zeroed in on what's being asked of them. It's really a testament to the interface that it sort of commands your attention. It's really easy to embed things, be it videos or links. It's just really easy to get them in there. The data pools are really nice. You can just connect them to a spreadsheet, which we'll look at in a second. Pull PDFs if that's what you want to do. Yeah, really nice, clean data. And again, the aesthetics are just nice. It does look nice. So I would argue that it feels a little bit better to work on it than say a white piece of paper or whatevs. Okay, here's a lesson about Fraggle Rock. For what it's worth, I don't have any reason to teach anyone about Fraggle Rock. But if you are lucky enough to come to one of my trainings, then you may get to learn a little bit about Fraggle Rock too. Okay, required question. Email address. Okay, here's a video about Jim Henson. Videos are super easy to get in there. It is no big deal. Okay. You can see right here, add video. I'm looking for a video of Marjorie, the all-knowing trash heap. I've seen Troubles. Yeah, classic. So move me back. Okay, now you can resize your video as you see fit. I usually just make that thing big, and then we have a form of the video in it. Super chill. Okay. Next. Check boxes. This is actually a mistake. It's a required question, but I didn't put like none at the bottom. So if you don't click something, you can't go forward. You can't progress. So that was a mistake. On the other hand, I'm not sure. Maybe I just assumed that everyone has seen Sesame Street because come on. Okay. I have seen it. Okay. Here's the intro. Describe your initial reaction in 3 words. So dang cute. And it is. All right. So embedding videos, super easy. Also, just getting links in there. They're live links. So here we have the Fraggle Rock story. Follow the link, read the short article, and respond to the following question. Which 2 facts did you find the most interesting? Okay, so this is just an article about the impetus of the show and getting it off the ground and sort of the big ideas behind it. Jim famously said that he wanted to make a show that would bring about world peace. Okay. Now, going back. I'm just going to type some garbage, but check this out. Must be at least 50 characters. I just wanted to show you that. That's why it's set up like that. You can set up minimum and maximum character counts and questions. So here, let's add a question in. We're going to make it, paragraph. Check this out. Response validation. You can do a minimum character count, which I use quite a bit. So if you want it to be 100 characters, I like this too, custom error text. Okay. So now I'm going to make that required too. So check this out. Okay. I try to send it through. Not enough, right? More. Pretty funny. Okay, now let me put it through. All right. Okay. So that's that. Oh, just because on customized theme, I don't know how long you've used Forms or if you've used it at all, but they have added a lot of customization features in the past year. But check this out. I'm consciously trying to say less, and I think it's causing me to say it more. Okay. Yeah, Marjorie 2. Open. It's going to have me crop it. It's the one I used on the other one, but I'm just going to crop it differently, and it will look differently. We'll just make it about Marjorie in this one. I'm all about that visual interest. I think it goes a long way. Yeah, there she is. Going brown. Yeah, I like it. Okay. Let's see what it looks like now. It's all in the cloud, so you don't have to press save or anything. There she be. Cool. Okay, back to it. So getting to my 50 characters. All right. Which Fraggle are you? Another one, another website log linked in there. Need to go and look through the different characters. I already know who I am. Totsugobo. Okay, so this is cool. I mean, I know I made this. I don't want to sound like I'm tooting my own horn, but at the end of the lesson, I just linked in a quiz. So I'll auto grade it, right? I don't need that on the lesson. That's not what it's about. But I do want some of it graded, so I just linked in another form. And then they just need to deal with what they've learned. So here, let me see if there's anything interesting I want to talk about. Most of it's multiple choice, and you can put in the right answer, so it'll grade it for you. This last bit, how's your life like Fraggle Rock? You have to go grade that manually, of course. But the first question, who created Fraggle Rock? Actually, you can type the correct answer in, and then I usually type it in a handful of ways just to try to anticipate them misspelling things and stuff because I don't want to talk about it later. Like I misspelled Henson, so I usually try to get a couple of them in there. But anyway, so interactive sends you in a few different places, doesn't relegate you to just paper replacement. It offers you things that you could conceivably do with paper other than the videos. the auto grading. But yeah, it's totally fine. I actually don't use it that much for building lessons, but I totally could if I wanted to. Okay, I think that is about it. And I need to blow my nose really bad. So, okay, bye everybody.